7 days on a yacht in the Red Sea. My X4 runs all the time and my Garmin tracks every session. Two perfect data streams, but completely useless to each other. This is footage from the X4, and this is what the Garmin knows. The footage has no idea where I was. The data has no idea what I actually saw. That gap has been bothering me for quite some time, so I built something. It's called the GPS to FCP Converter. I built it because nothing else did exactly what I needed. One input, your GPX file from your GPS device, and plenty of outputs, a PNG, animated maps, and overlays for FCP or Final Cut Pro as an FCP XML.
Okay, quick interruption. When I said that on the yacht, the app wasn't quite there yet. Version 1.0 built the overlays as motion titles, one title per frame, so every change in speed or heart rate stayed perfectly smooth. In theory, beautiful. In practice, my M1 took one look at 20 minutes of titles and gave up. Final Cut froze solid. So I stopped fighting Final Cut and used Apple's own video engine instead. Version 1.1 renders the overlay as a single ProRes video with a real alpha channel. Fully transparent, no titles, just one clip. Final Cut eats video files for breakfast. Problem gone.
This is my track from one of my sessions here in the Red Sea. I use a Garmin Forerunner 165. There's a free app called Hulin to record your kite or wingfoil session, and the best thing, it's free in the Garmin universe. The route doesn't just appear, it runs in real time with your speed bracket colors. Blue is cruise mode and red is full send. Every color shift is a moment, the gust, the jibe, the section where you stop thinking and just flew. You can read the session before you watch a single clip. You pick the length, 20-second highlight for a quick cut or an Instagram reel, or a full session in real time for the complete story. Both exported to ready-to-edit MOV file format. All of it in one export if you like to. This is our last session, this is our track. Landscape, square, vertical, whatever you need. Quick honesty moment, the first version of this app had a problem. If I used the same color scheme for the speed brackets for running and for foiling, every wing session looked like this. All red, everywhere, useless. Because on the foil I'm always faster than I'm on my feet. The top speed for one sport is the cruising speed for another. So you set your own speed brackets per sport once. And every session you run after that reads correctly.
Here's where it gets useful for editing. Distance, speed, pace, heart rate, second by second, synced to your footage. Not average, not estimated, especially not keyframed by hand in Final Cut. Exactly what your GPS recorded at that exact moment. And it's just a video file. You pick the overlay, hit render and drop the clip on your timeline. Nothing to install, no templates, no plugins, no setup. Final Cut plays it like any other clip. Even my M1 doesn't break a sweat. One honest heads up, a 20, 30, 40 minute track is a lot of frames to render. That takes time, plan accordingly.
The actual workflow, track and drop your GPX file, choose a destination folder, pick the map style, the length and the data fields. Hit export, open the project in Final Cut, done. No plugins, no subscription, no account, no cloud. None of your data ever leaves your Mac. I built this because I wanted the sessions to look the way they felt. The Garmin knows everything, the action camera sees everything. They just needed a translator. It works for any sports, running, cycling, surfing, biking, even racing with a car. Whatever floats your boat. As long as you wear your Garmin and you have your camera running. What sport are you filming? Tell me in the comments. Link to the app is in the description. It's free to start, no account needed. If you want to know how a full week on a luxury yacht in the Red Sea looks like, this video is coming soon to this channel. Just hit subscribe so you don't miss it.